everyone, it's Michelle again. Welcome back for episode 3. I'm so excited because it has been exactly 1 week since we signed the lease on the new studio. As you can see here, I'm in my old or current studio right now still, and I'm so excited to show you the process. We're going to go down the hall and show you that. But first, make sure you have subscribed to my channel if you haven't already. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and a comment if you would like to do so. I would appreciate it. That really helps me out so much. And before we get down the hall though, I want to show you something maybe. I think you'll want to see it. What do you think? Do you want to see the new flooring we picked out? We kind of gave you a sneak peek in the one of the other episodes, but look at here. This is a lot of flooring. This flooring will cover roughly 1,000 square feet. So, and this is what I picked out. It is like a farmhouse, kind of like a light gray, waterproof vinyl flooring. So I think this will be great for crafting if we spill or do anything on there. It's supposed to be very durable and easy to put down. So that is like very key in what we want. So anyway, I'm super excited to see this new flooring in that space. But let me take you up to the new studio space. And I forgot to mention, I had a few comments asking me, where's my bathroom? Well, the bathroom is actually right down here at the end of the hall. So I didn't share with you that my new studio is actually in the same building as my old one. So those of you that maybe are new to me, or I didn't really do a great job of explaining this, my current place is in one giant building where a bunch of businesses share this hall, and then we share the bathrooms. And so you can see kind of like our signs hanging down. There's like different businesses, massage, accounting, alterations, insurance. But anyway, this is where my current one is, and my new one, like I had mentioned, is one of the new storefronts. So let's come up here. We're just gonna go right up the hall. And I also have 2 side doors that connect to this outside hall. So this is the one the furthest back, so we'll come in this one. So we have been doing a lot of demolition. So are you ready for this? We have literally torn down walls and ripped up floors. Have I kept you in suspense enough? Okay, let's go. Does it look a little bit different in here? So all of those cubicle walls have come down. All of the flooring, almost all of the flooring has come up. Some of this flooring has been actually glued. So my husband, my dad, my father-in-law, they have done an enormous amount of work in here. And you can see there's some lumber over here that we plan to repurpose. Have you heard that lumber's been on the rise a little bit this year? So the wall that we put up to create my personal studio space, we're able to repurpose some of this. So that will be awesome. And so yeah, you can see, can you envision that beautiful new floor, what it's gonna look like in here? I can picture it in my head. I'm so excited. And yep, we have a bunch of the old, what is that? Like the foam mat under the carpet is up there. That needs to be taken to the dump. We've already taken 1 truckload to the dump of all of the drywall and all of that, some of the carpet. And so yeah, this is what it looks like right now. I also want to show you, we got some new locks on the doors. So the side doors here, because up front there's another door that leads to the hall. So I do have my front door. This is the main door that I can come in. And then there's these 2 that lead to the hallway. So that goes to our shared space if anyone needs to go through there. So we did put some new locks on here. And then let me show you back in the closet, because we did put down, we got a few new shelves and stuff. So I'll just give you a sneak peek into there, because I know so many of you have mentioned to me how excited you are about the process too. So let me just show you in here real quick. So this is a huge storage area. And so we purchased a few shelving units, probably gonna have to purchase more. And then my sweet friend Sharon actually gave me a couple of bookcases for some storage solutions. These little, what are these? I just went blank. These were in here and we're probably not going to use them, but they're just being stored back here for right now. But this is where we will have a lot of, like I had mentioned, our shipping supplies, packaging supplies, and overflow in this room, which is amazing. This will be an amazing space for that. So I am so glad that you joined me for our episode 3. Again, make sure you are subscribed so you don't miss out on the 4th episode. And hopefully then we will be doing more with the walls and the floor. So until next time, thank you for following along on this awesome journey with me. I'm so excited for the progress that we've had and made in just 1 week. So see you next time.